Okay, my name is Gary Cleveland. Here we go. It is late at night. I'm going to show you guys. I just scored a new knife. I got to show this thing to you guys. It's not this one. It's not the Rebel. The old folding Rebel. It's not that. It's not that knife. The Emerson. That one's got its own story. Right there. I saved a guy's life with that knife right there. It's not that. I got a new knife and it's not that. That's my old... That's my daily flipper. That's my daily flipper. It's not that. That is one of the original Cleave style customs. And it is not this. The bent handle. The original bent handle. This thing is, now we're looking magnitude of value much higher, 10 times, 100 times more valuable. That one right there. And it's not this one that I got last year, the Benchmade 259B original pin construction early Benchmade. It's not that. This is the knife that I just scored. Listen to this thing. I'm not even going to show it to you yet. Just listen to this. Wow. Alright. Here it is. Oh! Look at that! Frost Cutlery. Early Frost Cutlery right there. 29. For sure. This is Ninja 3. I wish it didn't have the Ninja 3 on there. But anyway, made in Japan. Surgical steel. Weighs about 14 pounds. Able to cut pretty much anything. Able to cut anything. That thing is a monster. Look how much bigger that is than any of the knives that I have that I've been flipping with. So anyway, super score. I got this off the guitar player from Valiant Thor. I don't know if you guys are into metal bands at all. Anyway, CASHCOW is recording at his studio. That guy had that knife. I bought it right there. Well, actually, the deal took like 3 days, but anyway, super stoked. And I'll tell you guys the story about this knife next time. All right, stay cool. Yes, sir.